Om Shri Mahapiriyava Charanam. Voice of God, Volume 1, Main Title, Advaitam, Chapter 3, Advaitam, Are we the Brahman? If not, Adi Shankara Bhagavatpada says that Jivatma and Paramatma, that is the Brahman, are one. That is, he says we are Brahman ourselves. Hiranyakashipu also claimed, I am God. But it so happened that God in the form of Narasimha had to destroy him. When the Acharya says we are Brahman, is it the same as what Hiranyakashipu claimed? No, not at all. When Hiranyakashipu claimed I am God, it was an egoistic statement, meaning that there was no God other than he himself. But Bhagavatpada, by declaring that there is nothing else other than God, means that we are also God. He says that if the Jivan, which is the individual soul, gives up his ego, he dissolves himself in Brahman and becomes Brahman itself. We are now like a spoonful of water with a little power. God with infinite power is like the ocean. The spoonful of water came from that ocean. This spoonful of water has to dissolve the ego that it is a separate entity and mix with the ocean and become one with it. If we are not Brahman, we should be something other than Brahman. If that be so, it would mean that there are things other than Paramatma. In other words, it would mean that Paramatma is one among many things. It would mean that these many things came into existence in a manner unrelated to Paramatma. If so, to say that he is the Paramatma and the Lord of everything will be inappropriate. He is the Lord only if he is the sole power above everything. When we say that he is everything, can we be different? Therefore, it is not the Advaitis who, for all outward appearance, claim as if with ego we are Brahman, that belittle the greatness of the Lord. On the other hand, it is those who, with all humility, declare that Jivan is not the Lord. Jivan is small, the Lord is very great, they are different from the Lord, inadvertently make the Lord one among many and thus minimize his greatness. If it is said that he is everything, we ought to be him also. He who is like the ocean also is the water in the river, in the pond, in the well, in a big vessel, in a small vessel, and a spoon. He has divided his power into small little figures and presents himself as several jivas. He has so designed the order that as a human being, the jiva will experience good and evil, and in the state in which he crosses these limitations, he will become himself. When becoming a man, he gives him a mind and makes it indulge in good and bad deeds and experience the results of the same. When the mind is unstable, we cannot at one stretch reach the state where the good and bad are absent and realize that he indeed is ourselves. Therefore, even though he is we ourselves, for us to experience it, we have to pray for his grace. In the beginning, we have to think that we are so small and he is so big, that he is the ocean and we are spoonful of water, and practice devotion to him. It is the mind which the Lord has given us that creates the distinction between him and us. The mind cannot be destroyed in one go. So, in our present state, we should use the mind to fix it on him alone. The mind which he has created is like a monkey. That monkey has caught hold of the body. But the Lord has created this body as one that would decay and perish. This monkey of a mind should give up its grip over a fruit that is decaying. If a monkey spots a good fruit, it will drop the bad one which it is holding. The fruit which is sweet and will not decay is Paramatma alone. We should strive to get hold of that fruit and gradually give up consciousness about the body. It is for this purpose that devotion, puja, pilgrimage, etc. have been prescribed. Evolving higher and higher with these aids, if the body consciousness and ego are totally destroyed, the notion that he is Paramatma and we are Jivatma will disappear, and we will attain the Advaitic state of he being ourselves. This is the state which Saint Arunagirinatha refers to when he says, a state in which you are not different from me and I am not different from you. Let us attain that state and experience it. Om Shri Mahaperiva Charanam. Jaya Jaya Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara.